Sometimes you might be given a symbol that represents a number. It's known as algebra. In this case, we're trying to find out what the triangle is. So you have to use the clues around you. You're like a detective. And it's actually no different to when you would have been grade 1 or grade 2. If you had have done this. 3 plus 1 equals, what do you think that is? 4. Now, you could represent 4 as a triangle. In which case I could then do triangle, which we know is 4. What's the opposite to addition? Subtraction or minus or takeaway. Minus 3 equals, so whatever is, I just draw it, whatever is on this side of the equal sign should balance on this side. They should be equivalent or equal. So you look at it, think of it as a seesaw. You've got a seesaw and it should be balanced. So if you've got someone over here that is 20 kilos, this side, if it's balanced, would equal 20 kilos. And you might have 2 small children, very light, haven't been eating for a while. One could be 10 kilograms. And if there's one more child, if they're going to be balanced, how much would that other child weigh? It should have to be 10 kilograms, because 10 plus 10 equals 20. So they'd have 2. Okay, so 20 kilograms equals 10 kilograms plus 10 kilograms. So in this case here, triangle minus 3 equals, must be 1. Is that correct? What do you think? 4 minus 3 equals 1. So on this side it'll equal 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, which we represent as a triangle. So this is algebra. It might seem confusing, but once you get into it, it's actually not too bad. Just got to try and find the patterns. So let's look at this one that we have here. 49 minus triangle equals 14. So again, I can use the clues that I have here. 49, quality equipment here at AIS, as always. 49 minus 14. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 1, 3. So that's telling me that this triangle is representing 35. Let's double check. 49. And I could do this. Opposite to minus is plus. So if I sort of plus these 2 numbers down here, it should give me the same as this one up top. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's what we started with. So this answer here has to be 35. Okay, so whatever's on this side will equal that side, like the seesaw. So this answer is 35. Oh, brilliant. Same deal, 16 plus something equals 30. Use the clues that you have and use the inverse operation. I would, which means the opposite. Opposite to plus or inverse operation. Operation means not like you're going into the hospital, have some surgery. The operation would be plus, minus, division, multiplication. So the opposite of plus would be subtraction. So I'd do 30 minus 16 can't do 0 minus 6, I don't have enough. Come next door to the tens and exchange. So 2 tens is 20 plus 10 is 30. So I'll just exchange it. 10 minus 6, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. That means 16 plus 14 is 30 on this side, and on that side it's 30. So it must be correct. So 14 is the answer. Once you become pretty good with your basic facts, you'll have no problems with this. You won't even need to work it out, you just think it in your head. Next one. Here we go. This is the one where the opposite to division. Or which way would you do this one? 16 divided by something equals 2. Again, I could do 2 times something, or triangle, equals 16. Okay, so I've just rewritten it around, it's going to give me the same answer. Luckily I know my times table, and I know 2 times 7 is 16. Really? No, it's 9. 2 times 9 is 16. Really? Oh, it's 2 times... 8, correct. 2 times 8, 16. Alright, let's try a couple, let's see how fast you can do these ones. Next one, 2 more. 54, again, if you know your multiplication, 54 divided by 6 would give you this answer. Or 6 times something gives you 54. Correct, 9. One more. 48 divided by something equals 6. The inverse operation, 6 times something equals 48. Got it. All right, try some of those.